Let's go. We got 5 minutes till open. We got 5 minutes till open. My plan, honestly, it's Monday, so my plan is very, very, very simple. Just let the market breathe a little bit, see what we get. If we catch something, great. If not, I'm not gonna stress too hard. Got a pretty fat payout approved on Friday. That was exciting. Getting closer to some other pretty big payouts too. So my mission today is just capital preservation. Yeah. Yeah, not as exciting as you may have wished, but it is a safe plan. It is a profitable plan. It is a longevity plan.
That's good. That's why we're here, to get the money. That's a good plan. If you are close to payout, nice size. That's a good advice. If you are getting close to any payout, take it slow.
Yep. Only way.
Slow, take it low. Take it light to take your payout, then start again. I have been in that situation before. We are close to payout, going heavy, trying to achieve 2K, 3K, 5K, and then boom, fucked up. So from experience, if you're close to payout, take it slow.
We gotta talk to Grandma. See what Grandma thinks today.
Man, call already. It's too late.
That was wild. She's like 5 for 5, bro.
Yes.
Grandma's been an absolute legendary tear. Massive bull run.
She said shorts.
I hope she says shorts. I wish Grandma would say shorts every day and it would play out every day. I love trading the downside. Love, 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 love. I love trading the downside. It's my favorite. As a reminder, guys, tonight is the night I'm hosting my free 3-day masterclass. So if you're not signed up, you better get yourself signed up. You better get yourself signed up if you're not. You better get yourself ready. Maybe we'll have Grandma come and teach the masterclass. How to build market intuition and bias, Grandma style. That should be class tonight. That should be what class is tonight. That'd be a damn good class, too. Grandma puts the team on. All right, Team Bull, we got 3 minutes left. We got 3 minutes till the open. We got 3 minutes till the... What's up, Grizzly? Grizzly Glock. What up? I just want to make sure you could hear us. Sometimes your speakers are a little...
It always kicks the speaker, kicks the audio off.
All right, I got Tesla on my watch list today. I'm also going to keep NVIDIA on there, too. Keep NVIDIA on there as well. Hey, good morning, everybody. As a reminder, welcome to the free live streams. Make sure y'all tap in, hit that follow button in the top left corner. I appreciate y'all hitting that like. If you're on YouTube, it takes like 2 seconds. Hit that like button. If you're on TikTok, spam that screen like your finger's broken. It's having a seize up. It can't stop moving. It can't stop twitching. And hit that like button over and over. As a reminder, too, Apex just paid me out. If you didn't see, Apex just paid me out $50,000. 50 big ol' rackos from trades we took live on this stream together. So if you want to trade with Apex, you can trade up to 20 accounts, and you can use code Jdun, code JDUN on ApexTraderFunding.com for 80% off all accounts and payout protection. If anything comes up with your payout, code Jdun will keep you protected. I'll keep you protected. I got your back. I got your back, my friend. I got your back. You know what's great is I can get back to trading these Apex accounts now, too. I couldn't trade them for a while. So I was waiting for my payout to get approved. Dun, 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 da, da, da.
Right, here we go.
Yep, let's get it. Let's get it. Market's open. Market's open. Yeehaw. What's your favorite word, Grizzly? Yeehaw. Grizzly, you out over there full porting again? That's what you're doing. You're full porting again. You can't stop.
What about Brandon closing up that AMD last week?
Is it ripping?
Oh, AMD? You haven't looked at AMD this week?
Holy guacamole! What?
Wow.
Oh shit! What the? What? All-time high. What happened?
AI news. I don't know. I didn't read. It was telling me about it this morning.
Wow. Look at AMD. My goodness. That is a gap up. That right there is a gap up. Wow. That is a generational gap up. That is the ultimate BSI. If I've ever seen a BSI, that's the one. That's insane. I mean, that's some pretty Jurassic news. I mean, that's a big gap up. Like, that I'll no pen alone. Only make love to her windows. Greg in the shorts off the rip.
176.93. Stop loss is 97. Come on, baby, come.
Only make love to her windows. Where is Mr. Gene? Sleeping Beauty's still not here, guys. Nice job so far on those shorts, Greg.
Finish them. Stop loss of 18. Let it go down. So as fast as possible. Following the planning measurements. We could be reversing some point to get some liquidity, so that's why I keep it tight. I'm trim some already, so.
Greg just trimmed those shorts, guys. Greg just trimmed those shorts, everybody. What's Grandma's bias? We can't ask Grandma on a Monday. Come on. We can't ask Grandma what her bias is on a Monday. That's not fair. We can't let Grandma's win streak come to an end on Monday. Greg stopped out of his runners, guys. Greg stopped out of his runners, just so you guys are aware. Yeah, guys, sorry. We can't ask Grandma what her bias is on a Monday. That's not fair. We got to save Grandma's intuition and expertise for great trading days. And in the world of Jdun, Monday is not a great trading day. So,
That's weird. That's a good result.
that is wild. Got our levels marked out. Hey, if you weren't on last night, we had like probably 7,000 people total. I was on last night debating people whether prop firms were a scam or not after my $50,000 payout. Got a $50,000 payout from Apex Trader Funding, which, as a reminder, if you want to trade with Apex, you can use that link below and use code Jdun. Code Jdun for 80% off. You should go look at my last post, Gian. Can you explain why people think your Rolex is fake? All 5 of my Rolexes are fake, actually. All of them. On January 29th of 2024, it was my honor to post and go to Rolex and, and buy a fake Rolex for $11,700 and post it all over my Instagram of me buying it. Yeah. Because that's what I do. All my Rolexes are fake. All of them. All 5. I saw the Sterrato the other day. The Sterratos are dope. I'd buy a Sterrato. Yeah, Rolex sold me a fake Rolex. Wow, isn't that crazy? It's crazy how that works, right? It is a beautiful day to start the masterclass. That is absolutely correct. Couldn't ask for a better day. Could not ask for a better day. Could not ask for a better day. Hoping we get some downside movement, man. That's what I'd really like to see. Team Bear. So last night, what I was saying, yep, $50,000 payout from Apex. Approved, and I believe sent now. 50 racks from Apex. If you've been looking to trade a prop firm where you can scale up to 20 accounts, Apex is the one. Use code Jdun. But more importantly today, who's all coming to tonight's free masterclass? That's what I'm wondering from y'all. That's what I'm wondering. Who's all coming? Who's all RSVP'd? Who has set aside time tonight to join me at 7 p.m. Eastern time? Let's go. I've been working hard on this. You guys are going to love it, I promise. And if you're not signed up yet, I'm going to pin the message in YouTube. Isabella's here. Zeke, let's go. Daniel is there. Marquise is there. Josiah is there. Tonight we're going to be going over mindset and limiting beliefs. Day 2 is going to be my system and strategy, and day 3 is going to be putting all the pieces together. I'm going to make sure you have a risk plan, you have a discipline tracker, and also I have a lot of other cool stuff. I have a lot of other cool workbooks. I can't say too much. Team's going to get mad at me. I got a lot of good stuff coming your way tonight. Let's just say that. Yeah, but maybe I'll have some Kool-Aid pouches, some Capri Suns for y'all afterwards too. I'm watching. I can hear you. I just am not sure what I want to trade yet. Probably going to wait another 5 minutes at least.
We are right now between 156, 180. So 180 is a really level. 156 is a following. So that's why we are doing this ping pong effect. Trying to find what. No anymore. I was in shorts. I came soon and then stop our break. So just looking in this range, 156, 180. Trying to define what. And Q is a little crazy so far.
Jdun,
What up?
I don't know that they're not sharing your screen.
Oh. There we go. Sorry, I'm a bit slow sometimes. But I mean well. I can be a bit slow sometimes, but I do mean well.
To go shorts, I need to see good price action below 156 to take the short again. And now we are rejecting 180, the level that we took earlier. But now I'm waiting for 156. But if you took 180 again, training, okay? Training. Because right now we are bouncing like a ping pong ball.
Yeah, let's see if we can get some more confirmation for shorts. You guys know I'm down for it. You don't have to ask me twice.
Anyone took 180 again?
ES is starting to kick in. This is the band I'm watching. 6776, I believe, down to like 6770.
The guy taking the shots. Thank you, shots. 154.
Greg in the shorts again. Greg round 2 shorts. 6-7. I still don't understand it, but whatever. I'm down. At this point, I'm just down. Like, yep, 6-7. I am 6'7". There's some joke about 6'7". I'm down for both. I'm almost 30, guys. Once I hit 30, I'm not going to understand these jokes anymore. Becoming an old man.
Guys, next flower you will have. Beautiful. Now they keep dropping. No mercy, no mercy. Come on.
Nice job so far. Nice. Damn, bro came out swinging this morning. Bro came out swinging.
Stop loss in profit.
Bro came out swinging. Greg just trimmed those second round of shorts, and his stop losses are at profit. Damn, bro, went crazy.
That's why. Remain one more here, guys.
Wow.
Beautiful. People passing evaluations.
Baller, Greg.
Also, the keys, the heart, the flame. Come on.
Give him the flame.
Give him the flame, give him the keys, give him the flame, the keys.
Great, great.
Thank you.
Where's the keys?
So be careful. Careful at this. It could be bouncing at 179 or close to 179. Okay. If you are on this.
Damn, bro made 10 racks on AMD. 1,300%. That's nuts. That is actually...
Bonus to point profit. Beautiful. That's 3 green trades. 3 green trades.
Yeah, bro, I guess that back testing is paying off.
Yes, sir.
Damn, my boy.
That's it.
Yep, that was my big news. I got a $50,000 payout approved and sent by Apex Trader Funding. $2,500 payout for 20 accounts. If you'd like to start trading with Apex, you can use code Jdun for 80% off, and you get payout protection. You don't have to worry about any payout issues. Use code Jdun for 80% off. I like the 50Ks and the 150Ks, though what I got paid out on was the 100Ks. I wouldn't recommend it. The more research I've done, I would recommend you guys trade the 50s or the 150s. I just posted it on YouTube. Go to Apex Trader Funding. My course is $0.00. It's free 50, and it starts tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Let's see here. Let's see what they give us. Tippy toes. All right, we're getting close to that 50% retracement area in here, but I don't necessarily. Let's see, 5, 10, 15. There we go. Not necessarily super inclined to take it at the moment. It's not really the exact candle structure I'd like to see. You got anything on watch, Grizzly Glock? Anything you like? Anything you love?
I was watching this here.
On SPY? Yes?
Yeah.
All right. Well, my office is cold. I'm going to grab a heater. Because I don't put the heat on. My house got down to like 62 last night, which for sleeping was great. I love sleeping in the freezing cold. It's low-key kind of chilly right now in my office. Low-key kind of cold. I'm going to turn this thing on. All right, let's see what they give us here. We'll see what we get. I love waking up cold. Yeah, I'm watching Naveen, I'm watching SPY. That's why I started putting SPY on the screen.
I think I'm done, guys. I'm done for today. 3 evening trades. So
See you, bro.
thank you, man. Have a good day too. Have a good day, family. Good family.
Adios, bro.
Beautiful, beautiful morning.
Adios.
Talk to you. Adios, amigo. See you tomorrow, same time, same channel.
Oh, shit.
You're welcome.
Adios, Mr. Greg. Don't worry. Don't worry. All right, let's see if we reject this 50% retracement. As a reminder, guys, Mondays are not my favorite day, so I'm always a little more risk off. Can this happen? Yeah, we're kind of failing that 50% area. Let's see. Let's see. How could this happen? I had a good weekend, guys. Very, very, very good weekend. I got no complaints. I got a good feeling about this trading week, too. I did a lot of hiking this weekend. All right, let's see if we... Oh, come on. If we can close this candle weak, on a pop-up, I'll look for a short with a stop above like 173. We'd have to get confirmation on this candle, though. That's what it would take. That's what it would take for me. Sleeping Beauty still isn't here. We still have no sign of Sleeping Beauty Gene this morning. He's slacking on a Monday. The PSL Express ran out of gas. That's what y'all need to call him, is the PSL Express. That's his new nickname until the fall's over. PSL Express. That's what his new name is. That is funny. Yeah, Monday does set the tone for the week. That's why I stay extremely disciplined on Mondays. I mean, I stay disciplined every day, but I know that my edge is not as significant on Mondays, so I'm always going to be a bit more cautious. Yep. You all better be signed up for the free masterclass tonight, too. Starts at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Better all be there. Ain't no excuses for any of y'all. It's free 30. $0.00. teaching the entire strategy that got me my $50,000 payout from Apex. Everything you need to know to get more payouts is in the webinar. I'm not gonna lie, that felt good. Seeing that 50 racks hit, that felt good. I can't even lie to y'all. What y'all got to understand though is that the props are just it's all a numbers game, right? You have to understand it's all probabilities, it's all a numbers game. I'm in nothing, bro. I am in absolutely nothing. Just staying patient. I'm always a little more cautious on Mondays. What about you, bro? You see anything you like? What's the high here? 65. I used 100Ks, but I would not recommend, if for whatever firms you're trading with, I'd recommend 50s or 150s personally. As I kept, doing some cost analysis and risk analysis on each size of account, I wouldn't recommend 100Ks. I like shorts, but I don't love them, so I'm gonna hold off. I like them. I don't love them. I don't love anything right now. We're in between this 15-minute high and low, and we're in between London high and London low. Greg caught a few winning trades already in Team Bull. Grizzly and I are just watching. 250s, no, I don't really like either. It's too large of a profit target. Advocates for larger size. Yeah, Big Zone knows. Big Zone knows. Of course, Big Zone knows. The top steps, the ones I've gotten almost $10,000 in payouts on are the 50Ks. I have 5 50Ks that are all at I have a balance of 1787 on each of them. I have 2 more days of 150 plus for another 5K payout. That'll be my third payout, and if I can get there, because it's never guaranteed, then I'll be at $15,000 in payouts from Top Step. Come on, give us a good setup. I like shorts. I'm not fully confident yet. We rejected that 50% retracement. I'd love to see a move down below low a day. I'm not fully convinced. My day is great. Appreciate if y'all are new here, you guys hitting that follow button. Appreciate y'all liking this live. If you're on TikTok, make sure you tap in. Hit that like button over and over. Just tap your screen over and over. If all of you guys do it 100 times, we'll be at what? 50,000? 50,000 likes. Come on. We can get up there easy. Easy, we can get up there. Hit that like button. If you're on YouTube, hit that like button as well. Appreciate y'all being here. Discipline over dopamine every single day. That's what we do. Yep, I have a code with Alpha too. If you want to trade with Alpha, you can use code Jdun with Alpha Futures. If you want to support your boy, I always do my best to help y'all. I always do my best to help you guys pass your challenges, get funded, and get paid out. And then get the heck off prop firms because they're not a long-term solution. They're a part-time solution. Top Step doesn't have an affiliate program. Think flip long? Not for me yet. Interesting. NQ's holding up, or the Qs are holding up a little, but SPY's still falling. SPY's having a little trouble. Technically, that orb's valid, but I'm not taking it. Grizzly, you know what would be nice, bro? You hear? Grizzly Glock, are you here? Bro's not here. Bro hates me. I get it. It's cool. He's in the woods taking care of business, if you know what I mean. I know what you're doing. Hey, how'd Tennessee play this weekend? Oh, they had a bye week? You see my Cornhuskers 4-1. We beat Michigan State. Bro, we're going to the college football playoff. I'm telling you right now. And don't sleep. My Broncos are going to the AFC Championship. And that's what's happening. I don't want to hear anything else. I'm always open to dialect unless it's about that. Then it's my way or the highway. Y'all better be ready to see the Broncos in the AFC Championship. We're rejecting that 50% retracement again. Still no trades for me, guys. I'm choosing discipline over dopamine. The whole theme of my trading career is discipline over dopamine every single day. Staying focused, trading smart, trading safe. Don't need to rush anything when there's no setup. I'm watching some individual names as well, but so far there's been no setups for me. Could technically watch. I mean, if you want to... Well, never mind. You know what I think a really good pullback will be? Is if in the next day or two we can get a pullback on AMD to 185. I think that'd be a spot I'd look to long. 185 to 187 looks money bags. Looks money bags. Looks like bankroll. I don't look like bankroll these days unless I'm wearing my Kill Tech. I just wear a Team Bull shirt every day. Literally every day I wake up and I wear a Team Bull shirt. That's it. I go to my closet and I have a row of like 100 Team Bull shirts, which all of y'all should be wearing too. Where's your Team Bull shirts at? Come on. I know some of y'all have them. Maybe we'll make a payout section. If you post a payout, tag Team Bull, tag your boy, I'll send you a shirt. Maybe that's the thing that happens. The payout club and Team Bull. Bro, send me a T to Spain. I'll just come to Spain. I could use a vacation. I'd love a vacation to go to Spain. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Grizzly, look at that reversal candle on ES. That actually looks really good. I like the setup too. Spike calls, ES longs aren't looking bad either. I'm just watching for confirmation. I'd rather take the setup if it was a reversal, or reversal for shorts, excuse me. Not really much data, is there? Not data. I'm trying to piece to some ES longs here with stops just a few points down below that previous 5-minute low. So if I get stopped, it'll be like a 2-point loss. Well, a little, like almost 3-point loss. At 767. tried a small piece of ES longs. So I have 3 points of risk on it. In case this is the higher low with this reversal candle, if we flush that candle low, I'll just get out for a tiny loss. It's looking like it might be that way. I only took one contract, so I only took one. So hoping to get a nice, either you have 3 points of loss or like a 6 to 10 point move. It just got it at 67. It just got it. Negative 152. Only 3 points, which is fine. I wanted to see us make a higher low in here and then see a nice move up to this like 50% retracement. Had the higher volume, the reversal doji here. We swept those pre-market lows. Honestly, it looked pretty solid. Just didn't end up playing out not how I wanted to. We might reverse here, but I won't be a part of it. Could reverse here, but I will not be a part of it. I will not be included in the party. It won't be inviting me to the party. They will not be including me in the party. If it does me dirty, I'm going to be so salty. That would be sweeping me by 25 cents if that was the bottom. That would be dirty. That would be very dirty. Really? Yes. Really? 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 ES? Seriously? Really? All right. I see how it is. Wow. I see how it is, ES. Bruh. Ain't no way. Wow. I mean, we'd only be at 1-to-1 right now. A little over like 1 point, almost 1.5 R. That's foul. Me and ES were broken up. Well, SPY would have stopped me with that same logic, too, of stops below that previous candle low. It literally just swept that liquidity down there and then moved. Wow, that is insane. That's foul. See that, Grizzly? That is dirty. It's all right. Kept it small. It's fine. We're chilling. Unreal. Well, I mean, semi-real. I guess it's not that surprising. I had the right idea. I like that. The VPA confirmation. And I stuck with my system, so that's a win. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yo, I took those longs, but it just stopped me out by literally 25 cents, so that is rough. That is rough. That one hurts a little bit. Hey, you're welcome, bro. Appreciate y'all being here. Make sure y'all tap in and hit that follow button so you can watch me get stopped by literally 25 cents. Unreal. Still looks like a good setup for longs, too. Still looks like a good setup for longs. That reverse orb, higher volume. Maybe retest back down to like 670 to in here. This looks decent. Man, this is exactly what I wanted to see. Literally exactly what I wanted to see. That is hecka annoying. Would have been 2R. This is my price target here, was like 6-7 points with only 3 points of risk. Six, 7. Yeah, it's 6-7's fault. I blame 6-7. That's who I blame. Hey, we're over 10K likes. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Nice job, TikTok. As a reminder, too, Apex just gave me a $50,000 payout. 50 racks. So if you're looking to trade with Apex, a firm that you can trust with using code Jdun, you can get 80% off, and you can scale up to 20 accounts. You can see that on the screen. That's $50,000 paid and confirmed by Apex. Go to apextraderfunding.com. I like the 50Ks. That's a great spot for you, starting with the 50Ks. You can use code Jdun for best possible discounts always. I can't believe they did that to me, bro. That was dirty. That was dirty. I'm not gonna lie. I blame Mondays. I'm belly aching and blaming Mondays. That's exactly who I'm going to blame. It's the day's fault. It's not mine. It can never be mine. How could it be mine? A masterclass is tonight, guys. We start the masterclass tonight. It should only be about an hour, hour 15. I do my best. I do my absolute best to keep things centered and consistent. I don't want to make class 3 hours because you're not going to retain everything. My goal each day is to go an hour, hour and a half. And by Wednesday or by Thursday morning, you will be a better trader. That's my goal. Is I want you by Thursday morning to have a complete plan to be a better trader. Not here for the vibes. Hey, I respect it, bro. This time. There's Sleeping Beauty. I gotta unlock the door for Sleeping Beauty. Hold on. I bet Gene's gonna walk in and be like, bro, your house is freezing. I guarantee it. What up? What up? How's it going?
Good.
I bet everyone you were gonna say, damn, the house is freezing. You didn't say it. It is freezing. I know it is, bro. I got the heater going over here. You're always cold.
Yeah, but it's really cold today.
I'm upset, Gene.
Why?
I got stopped out at ES Longs by 25 cents.
Wow, like Friday?
Literally, bro, right here. Look at this. I got a really good entry. Or this is SPY. Me. I got in around here, like right below 70, and my stop was below this previous 5-minute candle. Look at that. That hurts, huh? And now we're ripping on the indices. Great.
No moments, guys.
I'm glad I followed my plan, though.
Dude, it's so freaking cold.
I know, it is cold.
It's warmer in here than it is out there.
I know, it's cold in the house.
I had a gift tomorrow for those keys.
Oh, you gave them to him?
Yeah, I need them. So then I can go back to the office.
Low key, like shorts, if we can break down the structure. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here.
Yeah, look.
Oh shit! Nice. Oh boy, it looks good. It looks good, bro. You look good.
Probably the worst week to do it because it's all cold.
I know, you're funny. It looks good. Two, four. Loki like shorts if we pop up. Like to 70 with stops above 85. More so on NQ than ES. I don't love it on SPY, but I'd love to see us break down the low a day from that failure of that 50% retracement. So I'd love to see if these sellers could grow some huevos ranchados. See if they do it. SPY's not looking like it wants to give. NQ looks like it could give. SPY, not so much. Unless SPY gets a nice rejection here on that, or SPY gets a nice rejection around this, literally right here, this 50% retracement. Come on, give a nice short setup. I'm watching both. What do you mean? What are you confused about? Look at the screen. They're both on. Let's have that volume. Yeah, Gene's here. I don't think today. He told him he's got to stop trading Asia. He better.
Scott's actually definitely I'm guessing finally close below zero in the 5 minutes. So we have a bear flag in the 5 minutes.
Make me alive. Make me alive. I like the shorts too. Let's see, the high here is 52. Hmm. 160, 185. My only issue with NQ is we have, and with the Qs is we have SPY and ES ripping up. I don't like when they're diverging like that. Not a fan when they are diverging like that, and we have them going separate ways. It's not my favorite. Which platform would you recommend from Apex for a funded? I like Charitable personally. I like Charitable. Appreciate you guys giving Apex a chance and using code Jdun. You use code Jdun, you get 80% off and payout protection. That's who just paid me $50,000. That's where I got my $50,000 payout from. You can use Alpha. You can use code Jdun with Alpha too. I appreciate you using both. For you. anything for you. I had a great weekend. I had a wonderful, wonderful weekend. I just don't love trading divergences because one of them is leading the way. It's just a matter of which one. Kind of hope it's the NASDAQ right now. I'd like to see more downside. What's the high here? 150. NQ. Let's see. What do you think, Gene? Long or short? Sure, I think so too. I know. What? I'm open to NQ orb. I'd rather see ES show some weakness, though. I mean, we're still holding this 50% retracement on ES and SPY. That would have been such a nasty trade on ES. Literally would have been 10 points for 3 points of risk. That's wild. Foul. Ugh. I don't even know what charts are. I might go to bed. Well, you're in the right place to learn. Appreciate you hitting that follow button. We trade live every single day. If you're new here, make sure you guys hit that follow button here on TikTok. If you're on YouTube as well, appreciate you hitting subscribe. Ron, if you don't break any rules and your payout is caught up, I'll do my absolute best to reach out to upper management. I mean, I will reach out to upper management and make sure to expedite your ticket. I can't guarantee that if you break the rules, you're not going to get paid out. That's just reality. But if you follow the rules, I can help expedite any ticket or payout you may have and get that priority. That is payout protection. When you use code Jdun. I always got your back. I'll always help you pass, get funded, get paid, and move to a live account. And of course, I want you to use code Jdun and think discipline over dopamine. Come on now. I haven't been for 7 months. I sold my equity in that company 7 months ago. Hey, Gene, you want to come say hi? Yeah. The PSL Express is on the way. I repeat, the PSL Express is on the way. That's your name, PSL Express.
What's up, guys? What are we gonna do? There is no top step promo. Kwandon. Nope, no bag last night. I was trying to activate my FFF fundeds today, but something's up with their new dashboard, and now it won't even let me log in, so I don't know. That long overnight would have printed.
Oh, day? Damn.
Yep.
We're getting there.
Pushing.
We are doing our best.
Pushing.
We are doing our best to push down there to the low of day. We will be redeeming our low of day certificates. We'll be redeeming our low of day certificate. Damn, there it is. Damn, the sweep of low of day. There she blows. Let's see if ES can hold up too. It's a pretty aggressive bounce so far on NQ. I'm just at work minding my own business and Jay out of nowhere with the call center accent. Damn, look at that. We're gonna get a face ripper candle up now. I was going to get out of here early, but this price action is tempting. do I like? I'm not entirely sure at the moment. I'm going back and forth. 5-minute chart is technically starting to say longs if we hold this 15-minute low. You had a higher volume on this candle, a massive wick up. I'm just not a huge reversal trader unless I get solid confirmation. And I got stopped out by 25 cents earlier, so I'm going to hold off personally. So as a reminder, guys, make sure you guys are choosing discipline over dopamine. Trade smart, trade safe, and stay patient. We choose discipline over dopamine every single day. We will be recording the webinar. Yes, we will. Make sure you signed up. Make sure you are signed up. PA today is garbage. I wouldn't say that, but there's been some decent setups. I say that as I'm very, very, very slightly red on the day. There's one setup I missed at the 50% retracement on that rejection NQ. We were just diverging with SPY and ES. So it's all right. Mondays are my least profitable day. Not a huge fan. Not a huge fan. Monday, I'm not in the Monday fan club. Watching this wall. Yep, there's the Q's rip. That's kind of what I thought was coming. When you see that aggressive volume spike with the higher low made, and even if the candle's red, if you have over 50% of your candle a wick to the upside or downside vice versa, a lot of times you'll see that reversal come in. Legit face ripper. Oh, let's see. Oh, the mistletoe. Am I going to send the recordings of the 3 days? Can't join because of work. Yes. Make sure you signed up. Just make sure you're signed up. This PA is wild. What's up, bro? Just watching. Just watching. I still personally, I'm not super confident in either direction.
Doing what I expected though. Push down and push it back up. You get higher body once you look. Getting more land this week. Investment.
Nice.
7 acres. I gotta go to the top and get it taken care of maybe today.
Can we come hunt?
I'm gonna turn it into Airbnb.
Are you? I look so serious. I don't mean to be so serious. I am serious about making y'all money. But we be vibing here. Start the boring chant. This is boring. This is boring. Open the government again. Give us some volatility.
The guy I'm buying this from, I know him from my childhood. I know the land, so I think there's a information.
Don't know. Don't know. Gold. I done had a real nice day. The orb worked out nicely on it too. The Tradeify I just got with your code. Well, thank you very much. After a payout, will my drawdown reset? I mean, your payout will be subtracted. Yes. Thank you for using code Jdun. It means the world. It means a lot to me. Thank you. It means more than you know. Running game is what I do. Bitcoin is going to the moon. I agree. I do agree that Bitcoin is going to the stratosphere. Been telling y'all, we've been buying Bitcoin pretty much every day on Team Bull. I'm talking to y'all. Pull up on the car. Gotta tell y'all, for those new, if you didn't see it, I just got a $50,000 payout from Apex Trader Funding. I just put it on the screen here on TikTok. Maybe we should throw it on the YouTube as well and let them know. Show up on my face. There we go. $20 Rackos, baby. Or not 20. 50 Rackos. I don't know why I said. Oh, there's 20 different accounts. So I said 20. Did anyone even make any money in here in the last 10 days? Has anyone in here in the last 2 weeks in TikTok made money with me? Type yes if you made any money with me in the last 2 weeks in TikTok. Yeah, let's go. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Lots of yeses. Oh, what happened to my screenshot? So I actually had to trade 8 more days. If you guys saw, I'll put it back on the screen. I qualified for a $50,000 payout on 10 days, and it took me 10 days, but I broke a drawdown rule. I had 30% drawdown on a trade, so I had to trade 8 more days. My accounts are currently all at... My accounts are currently all at 4,500 profit after that profit got withdrawn. So if I can get another $1,500, I'll be at another $50,000 payout. As long as I can make $1,500 and not lose 4,000, I'll be eligible for another $50,000 with Apex. No other firm lets you do that besides Apex. That's why I tell you guys they're the GOAT. You don't have to worry about your payout being denied if you just follow the rules and if you use code Jdun. Oh, you do it on Charitable, Franco. You guys can copy trade 20 accounts. Yep. I always use a stop loss in every trade. I just put the link in chat too if you're in YouTube and you'd like to. What? Yep, that's hilarious. You go. I feel you, Judson, and honestly, I don't personally recommend for beginners 20 accounts. Y'all better all be ready for those recordings. Let's go, Lady Swan. I agree, Kev. See, it's hard. I'll never tell anyone it's easy. So this was my 4th set of PAs. I always, if people ask that, I'm always very transparent about that. So I'm all in cost with Apex. I basically invested a little over $10,000 between activation fees and evals to make 50. So I have 5x my investment. If I can get another 50K payout, I'll have 10x my investment. But I'm also a very disciplined, good trader. So like, it's not easy. You guys need to understand that. I know that's not what a lot of y'all want to hear. It's not what a lot of these influencers tell you, but it's true. Like it's not an easy thing to do. I trade extremely disciplined. I'm very good at taking red. For example, prime example, today, my top stuff, I didn't take any trades on my Apex. I just flipped. So for $1.50, I just wanted a trading day. My top steps, I'm red $169 from that trade earlier. Am I sitting here trying to overtrade and get it back? Am I sitting here freaking out that I'm red? No, I plan my trade. I trade my plan, and if I take a loss, it's fine. I don't care if I'm red for a day. There's no ego in this. I care about getting paid for weeks and months and years. That's what I care about. And when you follow your plan every single day, that's what happens over time. But when you can't take, I think Grizz is leaving. You say you're leaving, Grizz? Oh, he just left. All right, well, see you, bro. You have to make sure that you have a long-term plan and mindset in place as a trader. This could be the rake to the upside. This could be it. Greg left earlier. He caught 2 winners and dipped. Greg caught some bangers in chat earlier, for real. Where can I learn your strategy? Bro, in the pinned comment or in the description on YouTube right here. Tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern time, my 3-day free masterclass kicks off. So today, tomorrow, and Wednesday, for the next 3 days, I'm hosting a free 3-day masterclass where I'm breaking down everything you need to know to manage risk, trade with confidence, trade a set system, and take guessing out of your trading. So if you want to attend that or get the recordings, make sure you guys sign up. It's going to be valuable, I promise you. If you don't walk away with a smile on your face tonight, I have failed you as a friend, as a mentor, and as a coach. If you feel like your time is wasted tonight, I have failed you. I will do everything in my power not to let that happen. Now, if you just don't like me, then even if you don't like me, I bet I could win you over tonight. I bet even if you hate me, even if you can't stand me, I bet I could win you over with the value you get in the next 3 days from my masterclass. I bet you I can. I'm going to try to keep class around an hour, hour and a half tonight. I just feel like for me, at least when I was in school, maybe it's just because I have peanut brain and I have ADHD. if class goes over an hour, I'm not going to retain everything. I like the teachers that make things interactive. They bring the energy, but also like it's to the point. You consolidate everything, you get the value across, you keep it interesting, you keep the energy up, and you keep your class to an hour, hour 15, hour 30 max. Yep. Call me the sun, because I'm about to drop that heat tonight. You guys know what I might do? You guys know what I'm really thinking about doing? I think I might give away that entire $50,000 Apex payout. You guys have probably seen my videos before where I give away money to waitresses and homeless and such and single moms. I think I'm going to do a mixture of giving away that $50,000 to different people across Colorado and also to aspiring traders. I think I might do it. I'm thinking about it. Who else has ever done that? Who else has gotten a 50 rack payout and given it all away? So that's some Mr. Beast shit. Who's done that? Nobody. I love doing those. And the thing is, too, is that I tell people this, is that the reason why those videos do so well is because they're real. Like, I was giving away money long before it was ever on video. I just enjoyed doing it. You know, I was from that situation. I worked as a server. I had a single mom. I didn't have a father figure growing up. Like, I came from the gutter. Just like a lot of y'all did. I didn't come from money. So when I bless people and give away money, it's from the heart. I need to set up a tent in the streets of Colorado so I can walk into Jdun. Thank you, Chris. I appreciate you, bro. And it's a win-win. People are like, well, do it. Do it off camera. Dude, it's the same thing with Mr. Beast. Like, Mr. Beast can go cure cancer or give a village water, and they're like, but it was on video. You people are ridiculous. I look at it as well. It's a net positive. It helps people. It gives people a chance to get ahead, to change their life. It feels good. And of course, it helps my personal brand and business. Like, it's a win-win-win. It's a win for everybody. Everybody wins. And that's how I look at it. I think it's fun. And a lot of people enjoy seeing it. For every hater you see that's like, don't film it, there's like 100 people that are like, this is awesome. Give back. Gonna have all of a sudden Denver's homelessness goes up 10x of people setting up tents trying to find Jdun. Y'all are absolutely absurd. I can't. Y'all crack me up. If you guys want to support the mission, I appreciate you guys using code Jdun, code JDUN with Apex, Tradify, Alpha Futures, or FFF. If you guys are trading with prop firms, I appreciate y'all supporting. Appreciate you, Dante. God bless, bro. Any tax write-offs on futures profits? I mean, I know a lot about write-offs for my personal or for personal companies, but and for income as a whole. I have not given them my blessing yet. Boom, not quite. They're legit. It's just I'm just learning their software more. They are legit though. They're good. They've never denied a payout, which is great. And I actually really like all their infrastructure is great. I want to learn their trading platform a little more. So if anyone has questions, I can answer them. The Raptor's great, Gabe. I love my Raptor R. That's my favorite. Well, actually, my favorite car is my humble Honda. You guys like the humble Honda? What's your guys' favorite car of mine? I think it's the humble Honda. I think humble Honda's got to be it. We love ourselves the humblest of all the humble Hondas. The Son and I's matching Lambos. Those are fun too. Be blessed, not stressed. We blessed, not stressed. Ready for today? Any preparation advice for today? Bring a notebook. Do people ever call you handsome? I wish. Most of the people in my DMs are like, let me see your feet or some weird shit. I don't think I'll fit in a GT3 RS. That's what people keep telling me. I'm 6'7". No, you'll go. Only dreaming that you're missing me. I'm waiting here at home. Is the masterclass for beginners? It can be. How's everyone's morning team, Bull? Talk to me. And I miss you here, now you're gone. With the pictures hanging on the wall. Meant to be. I can't believe Brando Commando had that nasty AMD swing. We're strong, and I miss you here. What's up, Mr. Gene? Your hair looks good, bro.
Thank you, my friend. I get impulsive and just chop it all off from time to time.
What?
Did I get impulsive and just chop it off from time to time?
Gene's new name is Brittany. Britney Spears.
Mama is-
Impulsively chopping off all his hair. 2008, Britney. It's Britney B.I.-ish. Forgot I gotta watch my language. It's Britney, girl. It's Brittany. Jean. Jean is pumpkin spice latte. Call me Brittany. PSL, baby. Yeah.
Bro, stop.
Jean the Queen. Jean the Queen. Oh, yeah. That's his new name.
You tell the chat to be nice to me, but you're the one who believes.
Jean the Queen. PSL. Oh, y'all cracked me up. How do you feel about Robinhood? They've made a lot of positive movements forward. Holy crap. One of our members made $48,000 on AMD. Yeah, well, Brandon stopped it at break even. He had like 100% profit, but someone held it. Yeah, I don't want to hear about BSI from Brandon. I don't want to hear one word about JSI. Now, as a reminder, TikTok, if you're new here, make sure you guys hit that follow button in the top left corner. I go live for y'all every single day. I appreciate y'all making this part of your daily routine. I was on live last night for like an hour and a half, and I was debating people about prop firms. It was actually pretty fun. If you guys, I might do it again. Well, maybe not tonight because I have class. I might. Keep your notifications on. If you came to last night's live, it was a pretty good discussion. Was anyone here? Anyone watch me debate some folks about prop firms? It's kind of like some Charlie Kirk style debate, but about prop firms. I said, prop firms are not a scam. Prove me wrong. I like talking to people that have opposing viewpoints. I think that's something society's missing. People just disagree and they hate each other. I'm like, that's not any way to live. That doesn't move us forward in any type of direction. I do too. I think props are a great tool if used correctly. Yeah, appreciate you, Jonathan. You can use code Jdun for 80% off Apex, for 10% off Alpha Futures, 35% off Tradify, or for like 40% off FFF. I also have a code on Funded Next as well. If you trade on Funded Next, I don't really promote them, but I have code Jdun there as well that will get you a discount. Hey, let's go. Yeah, Chris, it's unfortunate. Civil discourse is a good thing. You can use code Jdun, Ryan. Yep. Time is it? I'm going to stay on for 9 more minutes. We stayed on for 2 hours for y'all. Stayed on 2 hours for y'all today, Team Bull. I did not take any trades after ES. Nope. No mames. Code Jdun for DraftKings. No. Mondays just aren't my deal. Do I use Bookmap? I do. Not extremely aggressively, but I do use it. Totally. Yep, I did. Must be new trader. I'm currently read like $170, like nothing. So I wanted like a 10-point move, so it would have been like a 3-to-1 risk reward. It just didn't work out. Honestly, Mondays I just come in expecting I'm not going to trade. You need trades today. Just one small loss on ES. Six more minutes, then I'm out of here for the day. I'm going to the gym. I'm going to go get some work done and keep moving. Does the current offer on Apex Eval allow you to pass in one day? Yep. It sure does. I recommend the 50Ks on Tradeovate. That or the 150Ks. I just posted the link in chat. I will do my absolute best to lead you to the victory land. Every single day I'll do my best. How many calories you eat a day? Thank you. You look good. Thank you. I don't track calories. I just eat a lot of protein. I eat meat. I eat paleo diet, so meat and veggies and fruit. I rarely eat processed sugar. I'm also starting a 75 hard today. I mean, I basically live 75 hard, but there's a few things I need to tune up. Hey, I'll see y'all tonight. Yes, sir. Got a lot of people signed up. I can fit 3,000 people in the Zoom and we have like 7,000 people signed up. But we're expecting, typically with these webinars, you get a 30-40% show rate. That's pretty industry standard. So at 40%, that's 2,800 people. Now y'all are like, I'm going to sign up just to get a spot. We got 3,000 spots in the Zoom. So y'all better be quick tonight. If you sign up, yes, you can get the recordings later. I have no profits to show you today on known memory. None. I wish I did, but I didn't. But I don't. What is 75 hard? Well, there's a lot of different versions of it, but I basically live it. You don't drink for 75 days. I haven't drank for 17 months. 17 months clean of alcohol as of yesterday, October 5th. Next month will be 18 months, a year and a half of no alcohol. How crazy is that? Thank you, AutoBiz Tips. 46 years. Wow, that's amazing. Nigel, I feel so much better. Honestly, I'm a huge advocate for sobriety. I'm not judgmental if you drink. I mean, most people do, and that's fine. It's just not for me. I don't see any, there's no positives. This is the argument we come to. It's like, no one can tell me a positive of drinking. You can't tell me resveratrol and wine. You can take supplements for resveratrol. You ain't getting that past me. Like, socially, you can have fun sober too. I have a blast sober. I come on these lives hooting and hollering every day, and I think I have a lot of fun sober every day. I'm the party, baby. Yeah, fun fact, I've never had a full beer. I only had 8. I tried 8 beers in my entire life. I've never been drunk off beer. I was never a beer guy. Caffeine is a drug that I'm heavily addicted to. I love caffeine. So you got me there. I do drugs. I do caffeine. That's fair. I am sober 4 years because of you in the first 75 hard you did. Thank you. Let's go, Daydreamer. That's amazing. Jay Quinn, that means the world, bro. I pray every day for it. Hey, if you've been looking to try Alpha Futures too, I just got a text. They are 25% off all week using code Jdun. Let's go. If you've been looking to try Alpha Futures, you can use code Jdun. They're 25% off all week using code JDUN. They're like Top Step, but higher payout caps. Mikey, I do my best for y'all every day. But I'm going to get off for the day. It's been 2 hours. I had a great time trading with you all this morning, and I look forward to seeing you all tonight for the start of our 3-day free masterclass. I'm bringing the heat. I'm bringing the energy. I'm bringing the value. Make sure if you haven't already, if you want to attend live, or you want the recording afterwards, make sure you guys register. Trade smart, trade safe, and I'll see you guys tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern time. God bless y'all. Have a great rest of your day. See you, Team Bull. Peace. Adios, TikTok. Adios, YouTube. Have an amazing rest of your day. Trade smart, trade safe. I'll see you guys tonight. Peace.